Fun fact, scientists believe the universe made a sound before the Big Bang. In 2009, scientists detected a mysterious cosmic hum, a background noise which some speculated could be remnants from the moment right before the Big Bang. This whisper of the cosmos was a faint noise picked up by an experiment designed to study the leftover radiation from the universe's birth. Known as cosmic background radiation, it's the faint echo of energy that existed after the Big Bang, almost like the universe's signature. But here's the mind blowing part: this noise might have come from a time before the Big Bang, from a point in space where the laws of physics, as we know them, did not yet exist. Some scientists even suggest that the noise could have originated from a different universe entirely, just before ours began. This theory, known as the multiverse theory, proposes that our universe could have been born out of the collapse of another one, potentially making the sound of the Big Bang an echo of the universes far beyond our own.